Hello students, welcome to C.B.S.E.Board. I hope you are fit and fine. In previous videos, we have discussed about safety inside, outside the house and safety rules for strangers. But today, we will know a new content. Kids, tell me one thing कि क्या रोड पर जाते टाइम आपने कोई लाइट देखा है क्या? Of course देखा होगा. Can you tell me what are colors of lights you see? Yes, there are red, yellow and green colors light. Kids, can you tell me what is that? Any guess? Okay, I'll tell you. That is traffic light. So kids, our today's topic is traffic light and rules. Today, we will know about traffic rules and how to be careful on road. Kids, we should always follow traffic rules and traffic lights. Do you know anything about traffic light? Okay, I'll tell you. A set of automatically operated colored lights, typically red, yellow and green, for controlling traffic and traffic jams. We can say कि ये ट्रैफिक लाइट रोड पर व्हीकल्स सेफली कैसे चलाएं इसका इंस्ट्रक्शन देती है. नाउ लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट व्हाट ईच ट्रैफिक लाइट सेज. There are three colors in traffic signal and that is red, yellow and green. The red light says stop. It means अब आपको रुकना है. Next is yellow. The yellow light says wait कि अब आपको जाने के लिए रेडी हो जाना है. And next is green color light. Green light says go. बट ये रूल्स आपको तभी फॉलो करना है जब आप व्हीकल पर हो. बट किड्स, अगर आप चल के जाते हो देन ऑलवेज यूज फुटपाथ टू वॉक. और अगर आप कहीं रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हो देन यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग एंड ऑल्सो लुक राइट, लेफ्ट एंड अगेन राइट बिफोर क्रॉसिंग रोड. और किड्स, जब हम कभी ट्रैवलिंग करते हो तो हमें ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. इफ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग इन अ कार देन वी शुड वेयर सीट बेल्ट्स एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग ऑन स्कूटर और बाइसाइकिल देन वी शुड वेयर हेलमेट. सो किड्स, वी शुड फॉलो ऑल सेफ्टी रूल्स बिकॉज इट कीप अस सेफ. I hope you understood today's content. Let's go for the practice. Your first sentence is we should walk on. And your options are middle of the road, on the top of car, on the footpath, anywhere. And your correct answer is on the footpath. Your next sentence is while crossing road, we should look. And your options are only left, only right, look right, left, and again right. Look outside. And your correct answer is look right, left, and again right. Your next question is what does green light says? And your options are stop, go, wait, fly. And your correct answer is go. Your next question is what does yellow light says? And your options are go, stop, wait, run. And your correct answer is wait. Very good kids. We end this video here and we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.